So you want the deliveries to get the bus ready.
How did you know that?
Because I have deliveries for you.
My deliveries are bin bags, water and oil.
You need to clean the bus.
Yeah, the bus is very untidy. Come on, I'll show you.
Okay.
Let's love sign. Bus. Bus. You sign. Bus. Good. Bus.
Look at all of this rubbish.
Yeah.
Will you help me clean this up?
Yes.
Yes.
I have an idea. Wait here. Wait.
Hey.
I have deliveries. Hi, Jack. Can we go to town now?
No.
Why? There's no oil in the engine.
But I broke it.
Don't worry. Wait here.
We're gone.
Let's love sign. Be careful. Be careful. You sign. Be careful. Good. Be careful.
Okay.
Thanks, Jack.
Go.
Oh, thank you, Jack.
Bye-bye.
Let's go. Come on, Jack.
That's enough, yeah? Perfect. Good job. So, the bus is working now,
Yeah.
but we still have to wash the bus.
Yeah.
Do you have another delivery for me?
Yes. Wait here. A bucket and a sponge.
Oh,
Too small?
Children.
Don't worry, I know just what to do. Sometimes we bring the perfect thing, but there's no need to worry if it's not the right delivery. Just say Dizzy, Dazzy, Oh, hello. I have a delivery for you.
Wait here.
A trolley.
That's too small.
Don't worry, I know just what to do.
Sometimes we bring the perfect thing, but there's no need to worry if it's not the right delivery. Just say Dizzy, Dazzy, Day.
Wow!
Now I'm thirsty. Where can I find some milk?
Oh, it's there. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Go a little bit faster. Oh. Biscuit, you looking on my way. We found milk.
Here is the milk.
Well,
More. More.
what? I'll get a last one.
Milk.
Let's love sign. Milk. Milk. You sign. Milk. Good. Milk.
I'm hungry.
Hello.
I'm hungry.
I can make you a sandwich. Do you like cheese?
I love cheese.
But I'm wearing the wrong apron. I'm waiting on a delivery for a new apron.
Wait here.
A beautiful red apron.
That's mine.
Now, can I have my sandwich?
Yes. Thank you.
I love cheese.
Hello again. We've come to give you some money.
Let's Let's love sign. Money. Money. You sign money. Good. Money.
Sorry, the till is broken. I'm waiting on a delivery.
Delivery?
This is gonna be.
No, that's a toy.
A toy? Don't worry. I know just what to do. Sometimes we bring the perfect thing, but there's no need to worry. If it's not the right delivery, just say Dizzy, Dazzy, Day.
Wow, my till is working again.
You did the magic, Jack.
Thank you, Jack.
Hello, horse.
Now, let's get to work. Good. Now to work. This is a bit smelly.
That's why we clean it. Joe! Now the stable is clean.
Now we can go horse riding.
Wait, the horse needs a bed.
My first delivery. Wait here.
Joe, that is not a bed for a horse.
Oh.
Yes, Joe, that is a bed for a horse.
I know.
Let's love sign. Bed. Bed. You sign bed. Good. Bed.
Now can we go horse riding?
No, not yet. The horse needs her shower.
I knew that.
And the horse needs shampoo for her shower.
Ah, delivery number 2. Wait here. Horse shampoo.
Good shampoo.
Now, the horse can have her shower.
Water. Oh!
Oh dear.
Oh, I'm wet.
What's going on?
The horse is clean. Now can we go horse riding?
No, you have to change your clothes.
Let's love sign. Horse riding. Horse riding. You sign. Horse riding. Good. Horse riding.
I've changed my clothes. Now can we go horse riding?
No, we need a hat to go horse riding.
A hat. Delivery number 3. Wait. Come on.
Let's go. Let's go. No.
The right hat?
No. No. Oh dear.
Let's go home, Ozzy.
Come on, let's get our ticket. Come on down. In here.
Shh, I'm the special person. But don't tell anybody.
Two tickets, please.
No.
Why?
Why?
My printer is broken. Look.
Voting.
I have a delivery for you. Wait here. One printer.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Now you can print our tickets for the train.
Don't tell anybody.
Sophie, I got 2 tickets. Come on, everybody.
Welcome.
I have tickets.
No,
Why?
because I can't see.
Why?
Because I don't have my glasses.
Let's love sign. Glasses. Glasses. You sign. Glasses. Good. Glasses.
I can't see.
Wait, I have a delivery for you. Glasses.
No. Those glasses are for drinking. Thank you.
We're going on the train. Let's go. Wave it to people. I love the train. Sophie, what can you see from the train? A tree? A river? I'm tired.
Train's coming. Yes.
Bye. 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 Thank you.
Oh, Sophie, let's get the platform tidy for our special guest. Oh, our special guest is coming here. We need to tidy up.
Let's love sign. Tidy up. Tidy up. You sign. Tidy up. Good. Tidy up.
We need to tidy up. Don't worry, I have things to make it nice. Oh! Aha! In there. Can you add this one? Hey! That's my shoe! Sophie, this picnic we made is amazing. Our special guest is going to love it.
Wow!
Welcome, Seamus.
Thank you. It looks amazing. Did you make this sandwich? Wow, you did. Wow. Thank you. It's amazing.
That's for you.
Thank you.
Can I have one?
This one.
I made a mess. Ugh.
It says Sandy.
Cheers, Mr. Train Driver. This is the way we eat our cake.
Eat our cake. Eat our cake. This is the way we eat our cake. Eat our cake. Eat our cake. This is the way we eat our cake all day long.
Are you okay, Joe?
Yes, I'm okay. Ah! So this is the basketball court.
Yes.
I love basketball. I'm really good at basketball.
Are you ready?
Yes!
And let's go.
Wait! Your shoes!
Where is my basketball shoes?
Basketball shoes? My first delivery. Wait here. Ah, basketball shoes.
That is not my basketball shoes. That is dancing shoes.
Dancing shoes?
Yes.
I love dancing.
You are silly, Joe.
Stop!
Don't worry, I know just what to do. Sometimes we bring the perfect thing, but there's no need to worry. If it's not the right delivery, just say,
Dizzy,
Dazzy, Dazzy.
There's my basketball shoes.
Now,
Now,
let's play basketball.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's love sign. Basketball. Basketball. You sign. Basketball. Good. Basketball.
No. Oh. I'm really good at basketball too, Elliot. This ball is broken. It's broken. Don't worry. My second delivery. Wait here.
This ball is a shame.
No, this ball is good. Look.
This is the trophy room.
Wow! Look at all these trophies. And this is the Dizzy Deliveries Cup.
Yes.
We're having a match this afternoon.
Can I play?
No.
Why?
It's for athletes.
But I'm...
But first, we have to change our clothes.
Let's love sign. Clothes. Clothes. You sign. Clothes. Good. Clothes.
Please, can I play in the match?
No. But we do need a referee.
Oh. Thank you. Now, I want a good, clean match.
That's 1 point for the Dizzy Deliveries team. One point for the blue team. And another point for the Dizzy Deliveries team.
Blow it, blow it.
It's a draw, and the next team to score wins. Elliot passes it to his brother. It's Elliot's team that's gonna lift the trophy today.